Hi again, it's Mr. Holding. This video is a follow-up regarding solving simultaneous equations using the elimination method, particularly for these problem-solving questions. So we're going to look at number 7. A group of 5 adults and 3 children pay $108 for their concert tickets. Another group of 3 adults and 10 children paid $155. Find the cost of the ticket for an adult and the cost of the ticket for a child. So what we need to do is we need to put these into equations. And so I have done that here. So I've got 5 adults plus 3 children is $108, or 3 adults and 10 children equals $155. Now, even though they're there, we've got a bit of an issue because we can't eliminate anything using those two numbers, and we can't eliminate anything using those two. So what we need to do is we need to try and find a commonality. And so I can't multiply by 3 by anything to get to 5, and I can't multiply 3 by anything to get to 10, so I'm going to have to do it a different way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the 5 by 3 and the 3 by 5, and essentially I'm going to multiply all of this by 3 and all of this by 5, and I'm going to rearrange that. Okay, so I want to do all of that by 3, all of that by 5, and it should come up with an answer. Okay, so I end up with 3 times 5 is 15a, plus 3 times 3c is 9c. Cheat a bit here. 108 times 3 equals 324. And then I've got 5 times 3a is 15a. Plus 5 times 10c is 50c, and then 5 times 155, 775. Alright, so I've got my two equations there. Now you'll notice that the bottom one has larger number than the top ones. You don't have to do these in particular order. Now you could do it this way. You'll end up with negative numbers because 9c take 50c is going to be negative 41c, and 324 take 775 is going to be a number. However, to make it easy for yourself, why don't you swap them round and go 15a plus 50c equals 775, and then 15a plus 9c equals 324. Because when you then go ahead and take them away, 15a take 15a is 0, plus 50c take 9c is 41c, and then, well, let's do it in our heads. 5 take 4 is 1, 7 take 2 is 5, 7 take 3 is 4. Okay, so we didn't need it there. So we end up with a situation, so therefore 41c equals 451. Alright, how do we work out c? 41 times c. How do I get rid of it? Divide both sides by 41. Cancel that, therefore c equals 451 divided by 41, which equals, use my calculator here, 451 divided by 41 equals 11. So therefore C equals 11. Alright, so now I've got that one, and then I'm going to work my way through it a bit more. Okay, so therefore sub C equals 11 into equation 1. Okay, again, I keep forgetting to do that. Label them equation 1. Therefore, 15a plus 50 times 11 equals 775. Therefore, 15a plus 50 times 11 550 equals 775. The last thing I did was plus 550, so I'm going to take that away from both sides. cancel, cancel, so therefore 15a equals 225, 775, take 550 is 225. Want to get rid of the 15, so divide both sides by 15. Cancel that, therefore a equals 225 by 15 is 15, I think, but I'll double check that. 225 divided by 15 equals, yeah, it's 15, so a equals 15. Alright, so I then have a situation, so therefore the adult cost equals $15 each, child cost equals $11 each. Alright, oop, a bit more space. Done the same thing there. Alright, so what have I done? I've gone through, I've identified my initial equations, and then I've worked out how I can end up with some common numbers to eliminate. Okay, so I multiply the top by 3 and the bottom one by 5, so I end up with this consistent 15a that I can use subtraction to eliminate. I then identified that this number and this number was going to be bigger, so it would make sense to swap them. Okay, you could have done it the other way, you just would have ended up with negative 41 equals negative 551. You still would have worked out c equals 11. And then I used my 11 to work out what a is. And through some rearranging equations, a equals 15. Okay, so I can go and then use these. So my check, I'm going to use the equation 15a plus 9c equals 324. Therefore 15 times 15 plus 9 times 11 equals 324. I know 15 times 15 is 225, plus 9 times 11, which is 99, equals 324. 225 plus 99 does equal 324. So I've just checked my answer, and I've corrected, made sure that all my work's done. Okay, so that's another example of how to do those problem-solving questions with regards to solving simultaneous solutions by eliminations. I hope you found this helpful.